You will get to a place in your assignments and in your course that will require you to do an assignment that's other than a quiz. The quizzes are usually multiple choice and will tell you what your answers, which answers are correct and incorrect right when you take the quiz. However, you'll also see assignments that are called practice. Let me click on this one so you can see what I'm talking about. You'll get an assignment when you go to the first page that says practice, and to the right you'll see an orange circle. If you click on that, it's going to open up your assignment. Your assignment usually is a PDF file. This is an example of what it could look like. For this assignment, you can't type on the screen. It won't let you. So what you will need to do is you'll need to come to the top of the screen and click print. You have a couple of options. You can print it as a PDF and handwrite your answers, or you can simply copy everything on your document, click Control-C to copy, and place it in a Microsoft Word document so you can type in your responses. If you choose to do that, be sure to save your document on your desktop so that you can submit it for a grade. Once you've received your assignment and you've worked through the assignment, it's time to turn it in. Let me show you how to do that. You're going to go to your dashboard of your class and you're going to click on the plus sign, just like you would if you were to send your teacher just a simple email. In the subject, be sure to type the course that you're taking and the assignment number that you're submitting. In this example, I'm doing 1.2.5 practice. So I would simply type that in my subject so my teacher knows what I'm turning in. You can enter whatever you'd like in the message, but notice on the bottom where it says submit homework. If you check, well, let me find my name first. If you check submit homework, it's going to open up and it's going to ask you, what course do you want to submit? You want to submit this in your HOPE course or whatever course you're looking for. You want to select the activity that you're submitting. Remember, the activity I'm submitting is 1.2.5, and then it'll let you attach a file. Click Attach File if you'd like to submit the file that you did on your Microsoft Word document. If you chose to print out the worksheet, you will need to take a picture of your worksheet and email that picture to yourself. Once you've done that, it will let you attach that file as well. Once all of that's done, you'll simply click Send, and it will let you send your assignment to your teacher. If you want to see the feedback from your teacher, be sure to check your grades and it'll show you your email feedback from your teacher. If you also look under Messages next to the plus sign, you'll see View. If you click View, that will give you your inbox as well as all your feedback here.